Hey there, welcome back to Gracefully EUT. On this very video, I just added salt and sugar to my 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I'm adding my cocoa powder or chocolate powder, any of your choice. You want to make sure you give this a proper mix. I will give it a proper mix until I get that color I want. And I will make sure it is well incorporated. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I appreciate you. Thank you for your like. Thank you for everyone sharing my videos to any of your social media platform. I do really appreciate. This video, by the title, you already know we are making a chocolate cake, and this cake was specially made for my daughter's birthday. She personally asked for a chocolate cake, so stay tuned. And then I'll add my baking powder and my baking soda. All the measurements of these ingredients will be on the description box below. Always make sure to check on my description box for list of ingredients if not measured in the video. So I'll be sieving all the dried ingredients already mixed together, just to make sure there is no lump in our batter. At this time, I will be adding my hot milk. And giving it a proper mix until I get the consistency I want. Then I'll be adding my melted unsalted butter. Including my vanilla flavor. Then I will be adding 3 large eggs. And I will give it a proper and thorough mix. You can choose to use a stand mixer or a hand mixer, depending on what you know is suitable for you. And then our batter is ready. I will go ahead and grease my pan with some butter and flour. I will sprinkle in some flour and make sure it goes around the pan and just dust it off. You can choose to use a baking paper in your pan to avoid this method. So at this point, our butter is ready, and before starting the mixing of your batter, don't forget to always put on your oven to be preheating before the process of mixing your batter. So my oven has been preheated already, so I will just turn my batter into my pan and then place it into my oven and bake for 45 minutes, 200 degrees, depends on your oven. And as you can see, I use my skewer to go through the cake and I use it on my skin, and you can see it came out so dry, nothing in there as fat. So this is the end of this chocolate cake. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think on the comment section. It's looking so beautiful. I wish I can just eat it right now, but my daughter would allow me. Okay, let me know what you think. Bye. Stay blessed and stay safe.